preliminary screening schedule here at SMCD Cabanatuan. Ashriel Macasiab. Road to Regionals na po sila on August 3, 2024. And of course, for our female category, let's welcome Alejandria Mary.
We've got talent, we've got it all. The time has come for us to stand tall. With our new friends, the fun never ends. So watch out, 'cause here we come.
Once again, our first set of regional finalists who will compete at the regional finals on August 3, 2024, Ashriel Macasiab and Alejandria Neri. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Congratulations to the both of you.
Kung kaya ko, kaya nyo din. Masalamat po sa mga nag-support sa akin.